Sa sarili nating lakas, hindi natin kayang mag-heal ng ating emotional damages. Salamat sa ating Good Shepherd because we can be healed. Sabi ni Jesus sa Matthew 11:28 to 29, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me. For I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls." Gusto niyo po ba ng kapahingahan? Gusto niyo po ba ng kagalingan mula sa emotional damages? Ang sabi ni Jesus, just come to me. Come. Akong bahala sa iyo. I will give you rest. Jesus Christ wants to restore our soul. He's the only one who can help us get back on our feet. Pwede nating subukan ang maraming bagay, libangin ang ating mga sarili, pero yung emotional damage, mananatili yan. Ang tanging magbibigay lang ng tunay na kagalingan sa atin ay walang iba kundi ang ating Panginoong Jesus. Sabi sa 1 Peter 5:10, "And the God of all grace, who called you to His eternal glory in Christ, after you have suffered a little while, will Himself restore you and make you strong, firm, and steadfast."